This time, we this time. Ready? Wow, that was so cool. All right, now, Nicole, do you see a boy that you thought was being a really good listener? Would you choose a boy and pass the wand to him nicely? All right, Jesse, go for it. One more time. This time, don't press the button. Nicely done. Give him a hand. Good job listening for high and low and using your voice and your body. Actually, let's try it with our whole body. Everybody get really low. Ready? And actually start kind of medium. Stand up. Stand up. Start kind of medium, and we're going to see if you can follow it with your whole body and your voice this time. Ready? Oh, wait. Let's start together. Everybody eyes up here. Eli, ready? Here we go.